So here the first writing as a first model one. Model 1. So what is the model 1? The model 1 is px plus q by x minus a1 into x minus 2. So for easily just you can write that two factors are there. Here there are two arbitrary constants, two factors are involved, one x minus a1, another one is x minus a2. So taken as a two arbitrary constants, that is a by x minus a1 and b by x minus a2. Find a and b. So this is a model. So first we define the first problem, that is integral of x plus 7 by x plus 3 into x plus 2. So for this problem, so first it can be written as x plus 7 by x plus 3 into x plus 2. There are two factors are involved here. One is x plus 3 and the one is x plus 2. Take that a by x plus 3 plus b by x plus 2. And we do the cross multiplication. So that is nothing but a into x plus 2 plus b into x plus 3 divided by x plus 2 into x plus 3. So this form, what is the form? That is x plus 7 by x plus 3 into x plus 2. X plus 3 cancel, x plus 2 cancel. So therefore we get that x plus 7 is equal to a into x plus 2 plus b into x plus 3, taken as equation number 2. It can be taken as equation number 1. So we need to find that a and b. How we can find this a and b? First we take that this part x plus 2 is equal to 0. From that x equal to minus 2. That means substitute x equal to minus 2 into, so that is nothing but minus 2 plus 7 is equal to a into minus 2 plus 2 plus b into minus 2 plus 3. This is nothing but a 5 is equal to, this value is equal to 0, and we have minus 2 plus 3, that is nothing but a b. So finally we get that the b is equal to 5. And next substitute that is if x plus 3 taken as equal to 0, then x equal to minus 3. Substitute x equal to minus 3 into, so we get that minus 3 plus 7 is equal to a into minus 3 plus 2 b into minus 3 plus 3. So this is nothing but a 4 is equal to minus a plus 0. So from that a is equal to minus 4. Substitute a and b in 1. Substitute a and b. Substitute a and b in 1. That is substitute a and b in 1. So we get that x plus 7 by x plus 3 into x plus 2. This is can be written as a value, that is nothing but a minus 4 by x plus 3, and b value 5 by x plus 2. That means this is a fraction, a p by q form. This can be splitted into two or more terms. That is called the partial fraction. That is any fraction that can be splitted into two or more fraction. It is called the partial fraction. and we do that integrate. So we get that integration of x plus 7 by x plus 3 into x plus 2, that is nothing but this is into dx. So we have two terms are involved. Separate integration can be separated. Here that constant terms will be taken as outside of this integration. So we know that integration of 1 by x into dx, that is integration of 1 by x into dx is nothing but log x. In the same way, it can be written as minus 4 into log of x plus 3 plus 5 into log of x plus 2. After completion of this integration, add c. So first, how we started the problem. So in this model, first we assume we can identify that it is which type of model, px plus q by x minus a1 into x minus a2. So we take that here two factors are involved. One is x minus a1, another one is x minus a2. If there are two factors are involved, take two arbitrary constants. That is, a is one arbitrary constant, b is another arbitrary constant. Take that a by x minus a1 plus b by x minus a2. We need to find the value of a and b. So for that, first we have to take one problem, simple problem, x plus 7 by x plus 3 into x plus 2. So that can be written as a by x plus 3 plus b by x plus 2. Do the cross multiplication, and we do that. What we do? Just we do that cross multiplication. So for cross multiplication, that is here we do what we do, just we do that cross multiplication. We get that a into x plus 2 plus b into x plus 3, and we do that at the denominators will be cancelled. X plus 2 cancel, x plus 3 cancel. We get that x plus 7 is equal to a into x plus 2 plus b into x plus 3. So therefore, first we take that a plus x plus 2 equal to 0. Then what we do that we get that x equal to minus 2. Substitute that x is equal to minus 2 in this equation number 2. We get the value of b. Next, substitute the x plus 3 equal to 0. From that x equal to minus 3. Substitute this x equal to minus 3 into, we get the value of a. And we substitute a and b in 1. We get that minus 4 by x plus 3. Minus 4 by x plus 3 and plus b by x plus 2. And we need, this is up to this one is a partial fraction. And we do that integration for this one. So we get that integrate of minus 4 by x plus 3 plus 5 by x plus 2. Take an integration is outside. There are two terms are involved. Separate each one. So we get that minus 4 by 1 by x plus 3 into dx plus 5 into 1 by x plus 2 into dx. We know the formula 1 by x into dx, that is nothing but log x. Apply that formula. Okay.